Myself, Devendra Monday, Assistant Professor of Economics, Government First Grade College, Chikodi. In earlier classes, we discussed about role of capital formation in economic development, and also a role of agriculture in economic development, and also a role of industry in agricultural development, and also how they are related to the economic development, all those concepts that we covered in earlier classes. In present classes, we know about, we'll discuss about the human resource and economic development. Two words are there, human capital and human resource. Human capital must be resourceful, then only the concept of economic development happens. Human resource plays a vital role in the process of economic development of a country. The term human resource means the size of population of a country along with its efficiency. Size of populations means human capital, human resource means size of population of a country along with its efficiency, educational qualities, productivity, and organizational abilities. So, the meaning of this human resource is human resource means human capital. Human capital implies the abilities, skills, and technical know how among the population of the country. A country should introduce manpower planning for the development of its human resources. So, now let us discuss about its importance of human resources. Proper utilization of resources. Qualitative and quantitative development of human resources is very much required for the proper utilization of natural resources of the country. And second one is of about increased productivity. Professor Galbraith was the view that we now get the larger part of industrial growth not from more capital investment but from investment in men and improvements brought about by improved men. So third one, development of skills. Professor Mia observed that while investment in human beings has been a major source of growth in advanced countries, the negligible amount of human investment in developing countries has done little to extend the capacity of the people to meet the challenge of accelerated development. Then fourth one, increased volume of output. The production increases as the knowledgeable and skilled workers can make a rational use of all resources at their disposal. Then fifth one, addition to productivity or productive capacity. Human capital formation can promote higher growth of the economy by adding physical stock of capital of the country. Raises per capita income. Imparting knowledge can improve the productivity of workers and therefore can raise the per capita income. Seventh one, tool for economic change. Then eighth, improving quality of life. This can be made possible through improvements in the three components of human development index, that is rise in per capita income, higher educational attainments, and increase in life expectancy. That means the other thing is in human development index is standard of living index. So now let us discuss about a role of human resource in economic development. In the words of Adam Smith, the prosperity of a country is determined by the skill, efficiency, and attitude of the labor used by that country. First one is utilization of natural resources. The natural resources like mineral, water, oil, and forest are utilized by the human resource. To compensate the deficiency of natural resources, many countries poor in natural resources have been able to achieve high economic and human development on the basis of human resources. Third one, utilization of physical capital. Human resources is essential to operate machinery and equipment and to run factories and industry. Increase production. The skilled, educated, and healthy human resources increase the productivity and production. Increase in managerial capacity and entrepreneurship. Human resources increase the managerial capacity and entrepreneurship. Development of agriculture and industry. The modern technologies should be used for the modernization of agriculture and industry. Remove economic background. Human resources helps directly to remove the economic backwardness with the help of education and with the help of skill. Reform in tradition, culture, and attitude. The educated manpower reforms the traditional cultural attitude. So, in this way, it plays a vital role. Human resource is very essential. In human development indices, the things are there: life expectancy, and also educational attainment, and also a standard of living. These all are directly related to the human beings or the human resource. Therefore, it's very essential for the development of that particular country.